Our presentation is on the MucoJet vaccine. We are Group 3, and this is presented by Camille Gervitz, Emily Lally, and Abby Bauman.
The MucoJet is a painless, high-pressure spray vaccine. It is a gel pill that can be placed inside of the cheek. The placement inside of the cheek allows for the vaccination to reach the body cells and tissues. One can administer this vaccine to themselves. The MucoJet helps protect one against harmful pathogens that can enter the body through the mouth, nose, or genitals. Some pathogens that the MucoJet can help protect against are HIV, HPV, influenza, and gonorrhea, a bacterium which causes gonorrhea.
Now let's look at the structure of the MucoJet and how it works. So basically, it's a capsule that consists of different compartments. The outer compartment holds 5 drops of water, and the inner compartment is separated into 2 different sections. One section is the vaccine compartment, and the other compartment is a powdered citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. And how the capsule works is that once the person administering the vaccine clicks the exterior and interior compartments together before placing it on the mouth, it creates a chemical reaction causing a buildup of carbon dioxide. This buildup creates a lot of pressure in the capsule, breaking the membrane, and propels a jet release of the vaccine that sprays out of a nozzle at the end of the capsule. Here we can see a more visual representation of the capsule and how it works. So in part A, you can see the capsule and the interior compartments as well as the exterior compartments. The yellow is the powdered citric acid and sodium bicarbonate compartment, and the blue is the vaccine. And once the exterior and interior compartments click, you can see the jet release of the vaccine. And then in part B, you can see this capsule being applied onto the cheek and its effects.
So how does this relate to Chem 110? Well, the chemical reaction that occurs in the MucoJet vaccine is citric acid and sodium bicarbonate combining to create a product of carbon dioxide. Solubility also comes into play in this vaccine, as it contains ovalbumin, the main protein found in egg whites, which is used in most vaccines. It is used to make this product more soluble. Also, by putting the capsule in your cheek, the vaccine can be absorbed into your tissue and then into your bloodstream more quickly. Pressure is also used in the MucoJet vaccine. When the CO2 pressure from the chemical reaction builds up, the pressure increases, causing the capsule top to break off, allowing the vaccine to be consumed by your cheek tissue. So here are the exam questions that we have created. Number 1. A chemical reaction occurs in the MucoJet capsule, creating a byproduct of CO2. How does CO2 affect the pressure in the capsule? A. The pressure decreases inside the capsule. B. The pressure increases inside the capsule. Or C. The pressure does not change inside the capsule. The answer is B. The pressure increases inside the capsule.
Now let's look at exam question 2. Explain the pressure reaction that occurs in order for the vaccine to be sprayed into the cheek. And the answer is, when the exterior and interior compartments click together, water penetrates the citric acid and sodium bicarbonate reservoir, creating a buildup of carbon dioxide, which causes pressure to increase and propel out of the nozzle.
Now that we have looked over the MucoJet, how it works, and how it relates to Chem 110, we can see all the benefits this could have on the medical world. The MucoJet vaccine is currently not available for purchase, but is expected to be available to patients in 5 to 10 years. Once it is available, since it requires no particular skill to administer, this is a huge expense from hospitals and pediatricians that can be eliminated since there wouldn't be a need to train employees to administer vaccines. This extra expense could be put towards research, charities, and many more things.